important dates. Now, on your birthday and on your anniversary dates, you will see now that it has the age or the years for the anniversary in there. And it's based off of the current year. So in February, I turned 60. Oh my God.
You're very young.
I'm my dad, whenever he was 60, I do not feel as old as I thought he was at 60.
Oh, you just 5 years younger than me.
Yeah, well, in either case, the birthday and the number of years is based off of for that current year. So if it hasn't happened yet this year, this is how old they will be. If it's past, that's how old they are currently. Until next year, then it will pop. It'll go to the next year. Just kind of understand how that's functioning. Does that make sense? And then also, if you go to print this, same, important dates, it will show you the age and the years in there as well.